Hello students, I think it is time to revise whole syllabus, and in this respect today we are going to revise chapter number 12 reflection. It is the first topic of coordinate geometry and I think it is one of the easiest chapter of your syllabus. Most probably you will get one MCQ from this topic and a 5 marks question from reflection. Let's start this topic. Reflection means mirror image. In this topic, one point is given and one line is given. Point will be considered as object and the line will be considered as plane mirror. And you know that by a plane mirror, at what distance in front of the mirror object is placed, behind the mirror at the same distance its image will be formed. If the point is P at a distance 5 cm from the mirror, then its image P dash will be 5 cm from the mirror but in opposite direction. This is all about reflection. One point will be given and the line will be x-axis, y-axis or origin. You can apply this concept or formula as you wish. चलिए अब इसके सब टॉपिक्स को हम कंसीडर करते हैं. सब टॉपिक्स इसमें हैं रिफ्लेक्शन इन एक्स एक्सिस, रिफ्लेक्शन इन वाई एक्सिस, रिफ्लेक्शन इन ओरिजिन एंड रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑन ग्राफ पेपर. 5 marks question will be formed from this section. We are considering first topic reflection in x axis. Or line y is equal to 0 because y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. Suppose this is the point 2, 3 and we have to find its image in x-axis. Point is given and the line is given. Point will be treated as object and the line will be treated as plane mirror. Line x-axis के above the x-axis object place है, it means this will be polished surface. The coordinates of this point are 2, 3. It means this distance is 2 and this distance is 3. The object is placed at distance 3 above the line. It means its image will be formed at the distance 3 behind the mirror below the x-axis. एक बार इस पॉइंट को आप समझ लीजिए, देन यू विल रिमेंबर फॉर्मूला एंड डायरेक्टली आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. दिस P dash will be its image and its coordinate will be x coordinate will remain same 2 and y coordinate will be -3 because the distance is 3 but in opposite direction. It means अगर x axis में रिफ्लेक्शन हमें देखना है, then x coordinate will remain same. Y coordinate will be changed by its sign. जिस लाइन के रिस्पेक्ट में हम कोऑर्डिनेट देखेंगे, जिस लाइन के रिस्पेक्ट में हम रिफ्लेक्शन देखेंगे, दैट कोऑर्डिनेट विल नॉट चेंज. लेट्स कंसीडर सेकेंड केस. सपोज वी हैव टू सी रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ दिस पॉइंट. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट 3 - 4. इट मीन्स this distance is 3 and this distance is 4. Coordinate is -4 but the distance is 4. We have to see its image in reflection of x-axis. Its image will be formed at the same distance. Suppose P dash is its image, then coordinates of P dash, x coordinate is 3, this distance is 4 and in positive direction, so the coordinates of P dash are 3, 4. Look at this. X coordinate is same, only y coordinate is changed by its sign. It means जिस लाइन के रिस्पेक्ट में आप रिफ्लेक्शन देखेंगे वो कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज नहीं होगा. If you are taking reflection in x axis, then x coordinate will remain same. If you are taking reflection in y axis, then y coordinate will remain same. Now learn that if pxy is a point and we have to take its image in x axis, then its image P dash will be x minus y. X coordinate same and y coordinate change by its sign. Second topic, reflection in y-axis, similar topic, or the line x is equal to 0. Suppose this is the point, its coordinate as 3, 5 and we have to see its image in y-axis. Then y-axis will treat it as mirror. Its coordinate are 3, 5. It means this distance is 3 and this is 5. If this is 3, then this is also 3. Then its image will be formed at the same distance behind the mirror. Suppose P dash, then this distance will be 3 and this is 5. It means coordinate, x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is 5. Look at this. Now we are taking reflection in y-axis, so the y-axis is y coordinate is same, x coordinate is changed by its sign. Consider the second case. If we are taking a point minus 3, minus 4 and we want to see its image in y-axis. Now the point is on the left side of y-axis, so this surface will treated as polished and its image will be at the same distance from y-axis in opposite direction. This distance is 3 because x coordinate is 3, this distance is 4. Then this distance is also 3. It means coordinate of P dash, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is minus 4. Look, y coordinate is same and x coordinate is changed. Now third case, reflection in origin. Suppose this is point P, coordinates 2, 3 and we want to see its reflection in origin. अब देखिए origin के respect में अगर आपको reflection देखना है, then meet this point to origin. Now its image will be formed at the same distance in opposite direction. तो आप इसको और आगे consider कर दीजिए. And suppose its distance is, its image is P dash, then OP is equal to OP dash. This distance is 2, x coordinate is 2 and this is 3. This distance will 2, x coordinate भी same होगा, y coordinate distance के respect में same होगा. Then coordinates of P dash minus 2 and minus 3 means if we are taking reflection in origin, then x and y both coordinates will be changed in their signs. Just sign change होगा. इसमें आप consider कर सकते हैं कि mirror is placed at this position. Means if we meet point to the origin, then its perpendicular will be mirror. अब देखिए तीनों फॉर्मूले हम लर्न करेंगे. If we are taking reflection in x axis, then x coordinate will remain same, y coordinate will change. If we are taking image in y axis, then y coordinate will same and x coordinate will change. If we are taking reflection in origin, then both the coordinates will change. Now next, invariant points. Invariant are the points which are unaltered under a given transformation. Means किसी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के रिस्पेक्ट में वो पॉइंट इनवेरिएंट होगा जिसकी इमेज वो पॉइंट इटसेल्फ होगा. अब ऐसा कैसे पॉसिबल है? स्टार्टिंग में मैंने आपसे कहा था जस्ट पॉइंट एंड अ मिरर. दीज आर ऑल अबाउट रिफ्लेक्शन. सपोज दिस इज अ मिरर, देन इफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड on the mirror, then its image will be its object itself. It means इनवेरिएंट पॉइंट वो होगा जो उस लाइन के ऊपर ही लाई कर रहा होगा. इफ वी आर टेकिंग एक्स एक्सिस, रिफ्लेक्शन इन एक्स एक्सिस, देन द पॉइंट्स ऑन एक्स एक्सिस are invariants. If we are taking reflection in y axis, then the points lies on y axis are invariants. And if we are taking reflection in origin, then only one point origin is invariant. Invariant points in reflection in x axis which lie on x-axis means their y coordinate are 0. Similarly, invariant points in reflection in y-axis which lie on y-axis means x coordinate is 0, and invariant points under the reflection in origin, that is only one point, origin itself. Now come to the last subtopic, using graph paper to find the reflection, and you will get 5 marks question from this section. In this section, you have to draw points according to the coordinates axis and take its image. Very simple. Now we are solving some questions. I am sharing with you 5 questions, and I think these 5 questions are sufficient for you to do in revision. Question number 1, state the coordinates of the following points under reflection in x-axis. अगर आपने फॉर्मूला लर्न कर लिया है, then you know that under the reflection in x-axis, x coordinate will remain same, y coordinate will be changed by its sign. It means image of 5,7 under the reflection in x-axis will be x coordinate will remain same and y coordinate will be changed. 5,-7. अगर आप इसको ड्रॉ करके देखना चाहते हैं, five comma 7. Suppose this is the point 5,7 and we are taking reflection in x-axis. This distance is 5, this is 7, means coordinates of its image p dash will be 5,-7. Now second part, -8, 9 under the reflection in x-axis. X coordinate will remain same, y will be changed. -8, -9. मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि कुछ चैप्टर्स की रिवीजन वीडियोस ऑलरेडी हमारे चैनल पर अपलोड है और रिमेनिंग चैप्टर्स की रिवीजन वीडियोस भी हम 1 बाय 1 शेयर करते रहेंगे. लास्ट ईयर भी हमने एग्जाम से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट मटेरियल शेयर किया था, स्पेशली एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चंस जो बहुत ही न्यू पैटर्न था, और मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर फॉर सेमेस्टर 1 एंड सेमेस्टर 2, और ऑलमोस्ट हमारे मॉडल पेपर्स में से ही बोर्ड एग्जाम पेपर प्रिपेयर था. इस साल भी हम उसी पैटर्न पर एग्जाम से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट मटेरियल आपके साथ टाइम टू टाइम शेयर करते रहेंगे. रिवीजन वीडियोस की सीरीज हमने स्टार्ट कर दी है. साथ ही मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर 1 भी हम ऑलरेडी आपके साथ शेयर कर चुके हैं विद कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन. मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर 2 जल्द ही हम अपलोड करेंगे, और टाइम टू टाइम और भी मॉडल पेपर्स, लास्ट मिनट क्विक रिवीजन भी हम आपके साथ शेयर करते रहेंगे. हमने होल सिलेबस की रिवीजन वीडियो भी, 1 शॉट क्विक रिवीजन भी अपने चैनल पर अपलोड किया हुआ है. वो भी बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल रहा था लास्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. तो मेरे चैनल को अगर अब तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिएगा. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, state the coordinates of the following points under reflection in y axis. If we are taking y axis as mirror, then y coordinate will not change. Image of 5 2 under reflection in y axis, y coordinate will not change and x coordinate will be changed, means image will be -5, -2. Second part, image of -8, 9 under the reflection in y-axis. Y coordinate will same and x coordinate will be changed, means 8, 9. Question number 3. State the coordinates of the following points under reflection in horizon. Is equal to, both the coordinates will be changed by its sign, means 5, -7. Second, both coordinates will be changed. X coordinate will 8 and y will be -9. Question number 4. The image of a point P under reflection in x-axis is this. What? Write down the coordinates of P. Image हमें given है. We are considering reflection in x-axis. It means x coordinate will remain same. Object का भी x coordinate 5 होगा. Y coordinate will be changed. It means y coordinate object का 2 होगा, तभी image का -2 मिला है. Means coordinate is 5, 2. Question, ग्राफ का क्वेश्चन है एंड यू विल गेट अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन related with graph with 5 marks. Attempt this question on graph paper. Plot A 3, 2 and B 5, 4 on the graph paper to take 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Scale हमें given है 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Take 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. It means on x-axis this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Point A 3, 2, 3, 2. This is point A. B 5, 4. This is point B. Coordinates are 5, 4. Reflect A and B in x-axis to A dash and B dash. Plot these on same graph paper. Okay. A will be reflected under x-axis on A dash, B on B dash, coordinates of A 3, -2 and coordinates of B B dash 5, -4. Write down the geometrical name for the figure A B B dash A dash. Geometrical name for this figure. This is an trapezium and it is a particular type of trapezium. It is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium is a trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal. And in this figure AB is equal to A dash B dash, so this is an isosceles trapezium. Write down the image A double dash of A when A is reflected in horizon. A, now this point A is reflected in horizon. It is reflected in horizon at -3, -2. Write down a single transformation that maps A dash into A double dash. A dash, this is the point A dash and this is A double dash. Single transformation से हमें इसको इस पर मैप करना है. This is object and this is image. Simply take reflection under the y-axis single transformation that maps a dash into a double dash is reflection in y axis. आप ग्राफ के और क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस अपनी बुक से कर सकते हैं. कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन के थ्रू मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. लास्ट ईयर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन के लास्ट मोमेंट तक भी हमने स्टूडेंट्स के डाउट्स को क्लियर किया था. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में किसी नए इंपॉर्टेंट मटेरियल के साथ रिलेटेड विद योर एग्जाम. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, टेक केयर.